foil. What's that? A chain. Sort of saw that on the ground in a way. That could be junk. I don't see anything saying silver. So, and it's real bright. Too shiny. But you know, I always look. I kind of eyeball that. All playground jewelry. Some of this is marked silver, sterling, but it's not. Right there. Marked sterling, or 925 TG. But they have a slight attraction to a magnet. This isn't marked like that. Test it. Here, look. It's a magnet. See? It's attracted to a magnet. My low conductor stuff, but some of this stuff I just dug just to dig. If you watch the video, I think this is 2 playgrounds. And actually it's 1. And this is aluminum foil. And this is my just miscellaneous type stuff right here. A lighter, part of a lighter, and some other deals here. A push tab, a little ring. This bracelet, a little ring. It's not real, you know, it's real. It's just copper coated with some type of white metal. And this little bracelet, I detected this little piece separately from here. This and this little trinket, or pendant, or whatever you call that, and this little change, a hair barrettes, and that's what I came out with. I spent some of my time last week looking for that wedding ring that I found. And it's that guy's ring, and this little deal, and the ring, and this bracelet.